What's going on, everybody? So we've got all of the parts, we've made the power, we're working on getting that top mount intercooler dialed in, so I'll do a couple more data logs to get that finished. As for power, I think we're probably just about done for now, at least, until we decide we want to do the STI swap, which I don't really want to do just yet. So other than that, now we have to help us stop a little bit faster. So we're going fast legally, and now we need to stop a little bit faster. So this is kind of where a new brake kit comes in play. I don't want to, or don't think it's necessary to buy a $4,000 or $5,000 big brake kit. So I've kind of got a couple things on my list. I'm not going to buy them just yet, but I'm probably going to be buying in the next couple of months. So here, take a look. Alrighty, and of course this isn't guaranteed I'm going to use this exact site. This is just an example of what I'm probably going to do. So we've got some brake fluid, some DOT 4 brake fluid. That's an upgrade from what the car comes with stock. So we'll definitely need to upgrade the brake fluid. And they have a kit here, which is the EBC brakes, yellow stuff, and then drilled rotors. So this is a front and rear kit. It's only $400. This is supposed to be, again, this is all alleged, but allegedly, I would guess that's maybe 50% more powerful than stock. This is supposedly the best one, the best kit they have. That's not a big brake kit. And then of course, after upgrading that, we'd get some steel brake lines. So we got steel brake lines, front and rear rotors, brake pads, upgraded brake fluid. All in, that's about $1,000. That is a fraction of the price of a big brake kit. A lot of these big brake kits are $4,000 plus. And I'm a small-time YouTuber. I'm not trying to spend that much, and I also I don't drive my car like a race car every single day. So I think that the big brake kit is a little bit overkill for what I'm doing. This should be enough. Again, this may not be the exact stuff I buy, but in the next couple of months, I will slowly buy it kind of piece by piece. So I plan on, I'll probably buy, I don't know why this actually, there's 4 of these in here. So there's probably way more than it actually is. Oh, so it's only $500. That's a lot better. So, probably one check I'll buy this. And then like the next check, I'll buy the brake pads and the brake fluid, over the next like 2 or 3 months, buy all this stuff. And then we'll do the, get it up on jack stands, and we'll do the swap real quick. And I'll video that, of course. But I think, something like this is probably a better option than, the big brake kits. The big brake kits